Okay, here's the truth on how I sold $100 million. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did, how I did it. This will be a quick video, very clear, very concise, no BS. So let's get right into it. Number one, every single day, I eliminated every single distraction that I possibly could. I did not talk to a lot of friends. I didn't have very much of a social life. I didn't go out, I didn't go on dates. I wasn't vacationing. I wasn't seeing my family as much as I wanted to. I sacrificed a couple Thanksgivings. I didn't celebrate my birthday the first 4 years I moved to Miami. I've been here for 5 years now. I haven't celebrated. I just started celebrating it last year when I met Shayna. And every single day I cold called, 90% of the time. So when most people say that, they say, yeah, 4 or 5 days a week is every day. No, I mean Monday through Sunday was every day. I'm talking from 7:45 in the morning till 10:30 in the morning, and then in the afternoon from 1 to 3. I'll give you my schedule, but it was 5:30 a.m. wake up. It was go to the gym by 5:45, quick protein bar, yogurt or whatever, water, go to the gym, come back home, 7:30, I'm showered, I'm well fed, and I'm ready to go. 7:45 for 2 hours, I'm calling. I would book appointments before 8 a.m. sometimes. I was just quicker than everybody. I learned very quickly because I failed very quickly. I made a lot of mistakes very quickly. So then I figured out, okay, if I say this, if I do this, if I call these people this amount of time, if I text them, if I do this, I'll beat them. I'll be faster. And that's what happened. I started getting a lot of traction very quickly. I started getting $2 million listings. Literally, there was a time where I went 2 months without getting a single deal. And then like 1 month, I got a listing every week for over $2 million. I just could not stop. It was on fire. And then it happened the next month, and it happened the next month. And then my coaching business took off, and then my focus went to a different direction. But there was also every day, cold calling, every day role playing, every day watching film, every day watching every single person that I could find on YouTube. I forgot the guy's name. It was a guy from Boston who would do for sale by owner calls. Can't remember his name, but he was really good at the time from what I thought, and he made a lot of money from doing it. There's just no better way. There's no proven way. A lot of people know what to do. They just don't do it. And that's why I think my coaching business is so successful, because there's half the people that have no idea what they're doing, and they need the guidance, and they actually need the roadmap. And then there's people that know what to do, but they need a wake-up call, and they need to pay to play, and they need to pay to commit, and pay to pay attention. So it's also atmosphere based. Every person that I would talk to in that year or two span when I went on that run, and I did $30 million in 90 days twice, was somebody who was running their own company, or my clients or my friends. My clients that have $100 million, $200, $300 million real estate portfolios, or that are athlete managers for high-end people. Like those are the type of people that I was represented by and mentored by. And then another one of my friends who's a commercial real estate agent who sold $100 million a year. So my schedule is rock solid. I did not do anything. I went on a date every 3 months. I did not drink. I did not party. I didn't sports gamble. I'm not a dork. Barely had any fun. And my whole life has changed because of literally 1 year of sacrifice, maybe 18 months of sacrifice. Have I worked my ass off for 8 months? Worked very hard? Yes. But that was a pivotal turning point. I streamed every morning. I was live on TikTok. I was on Twitch. I was on YouTube. I was on Instagram Live every morning, calling at 7:45. I had an audience. So meanwhile, it's a 3-for-1. I'm getting better at cold calling. I'm building a personal brand, and I'm getting views. I'm getting listings. It's a 4-for-1, and I'm getting coaching clients. So there's literally 4 or 5 different things that were happening at once. I don't do anything for one particular reason. Everything I do is, it's like, I've been so busy lately. I go, all right, I can't do this kind of content. The last 2 weeks, I've not been able to sit down and make this kind of content like I like. So I'm like, all right, well, we're going to have to make a YouTube video in the car. We're going to have to just compress time. We're going to have to do, I have to cold call. Well, I'm going to have to cold call and record it, because that's how I'm going to do the 2-for-1. You have to think smarter, and you have to work harder, and you have to be an absolute ruthless savage. You guys are not working hard enough at all. You're giving in too early. You're not practicing. You are not giving it your absolute best. And after 2 weeks of it not working, it's not DoorDash, dude. It's not going to happen in 2 fucking weeks. It's just not. It's not going to happen in 2 months either. And if it was that easy, which a lot of people think it is, right? That's the perception. That's why everybody and their mother's a real estate agent. But it's not that easy. You don't get $2 million, $3 million listings, and $20 million listings, and $10 million listings, and $5 million listings, and or $100,000 commission checks just from showing up and appearing. Everybody who has their license wants the same thing that you want. Believe me. So what's the difference? It's not just those people have a better system and they work harder, they work smarter. They are savages, dude. They are savages at the game. They work their tail off every single day. They are constantly asking for help. They're constantly asking for the business. They're constantly asking for advice. They're constantly following up. They have their own CRM. They have their own follow-up system. They have a lead attraction, a lead conversion system. You got to be able to do both. You got to be able to get clients. You got to be able to close them. So I had my list dialed in. I had my schedule dialed in. I had my distractions and vices eliminated or down to very, very, very little. My friend group group was rock solid. My podcast, my YouTube videos, and the things that I was consuming, not my YouTube videos, not my podcast, the things that I was consuming every day was all based off of where I wanted to go, listening to somebody who already did it, learning from somebody who's kind of a little bit ahead of me. Like, I'm not going to listen to someone where I'm at. I'm going to listen to someone who is either really far ahead of me, slightly far ahead of me, or like has already done it. And that's unless you're at another level. Like right now, if I go meet somebody and I'm like, oh, you have a $3 million, $4 million a year business. Like, what is your plan? How did you get from 2 to 4? How did you get from 1 to 3? And what are the things that you saw? I'll collaborate a little bit there, but when you're making 100 grand, it's like, I'm not going to talk to someone else who's making 100 grand. There's nothing to collaborate on. Yeah, there might be that guy that I'm like, you know what? He's going to be a winner, but I don't care. I don't want to guess. I want to know. That's why mentorship is so powerful, because I know. I already know what you guys are going through. I already know every line. I know every objection. I know every trick. I know every, door hangers, mailers, sending this to the house, birthday presents, events, collaborating this. I've done it all. Trust me. You don't leave things at people's houses. You don't leave hangers. You don't drop off stuff at someone. It's just lowering your status. Don't do that. Come from a place of authority, like you know what the hell you're talking about, and that's what you do. It's just very simple. So that's my message for today. This took a wild turn, but it is what it is, and that's my advice for you guys. Like, you need to be absolutely ruthless savages. You need to watch who your friends are. There is no lollygagging. I eat lunch and I'm back at it within 15 minutes. There is no lunch break. There's no kicking my feet up in the middle of the day. It's coffee, it's caffeine, and it's go, go, go. All day, every freaking day. And that's what you need to do if you want to make money. If not, there's 100,000 other agents like me that don't go on YouTube that maybe aren't as loud, but they're in your market and they're going to kick your ass. That's just why I laugh. Like, you guys watch this. I have a lot of you watch this, and half of you will never take action. You'll never apply for coaching. You'll never do anything. And you think you're going to beat somebody like me. You think you're going to compete with somebody in my Discord or my community who trains every day with me and my people. Good luck. It's delusional. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to get back to it. Got a lot on the line. I got a lot to do. If you guys want more information, you want to see what we're doing every single day behind the scenes, the cold calling, the scripts, the strategies, the objection handlers, the social media plans, everything we're doing to get these big deals, there's a link in the description to join one of my free live trainings that I'm doing here soon. Click on that, join. I'll see you there. And if you have any other questions or advice, comment section below. Like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, DOBI Real Estate, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.